Okay class, I am creating a short video to give you a demonstration for your next assignment. So part of this assignment will include you making a video of a sports skill. You can work with someone else in the class if you'd like to work together as a group. That's totally fine if you'd like to do this together. I'm going to choose the sport of softball, and I'm going to choose the skill of swinging a bat. So no one else can choose this particular skill. You will also choose a sport and just one particular skill within that sport. Your job is to biomechanically break that sport down or that skill down from beginning to end. Okay, so find a start point and an end point that you can clearly identify. For me, my start point is going to be here. My end point is going to be here. Okay, so I have to biomechanically analyze everything that's happening in order for the successful swinging of a bat, or in this case, a rolled up tube. So I am going to start in a position where I can identify the movements and the joint actions that are occurring in my start position or my preparation phase. I'm going to identify movements and joint actions that are happening in my execution phase. It's a pretty good technique, right? And then I'm going to identify actions that happen in the follow-through phase, okay? So the actions that I'm talking about are things like spinal rotation, okay? Elbow extension, shoulder horizontal abduction. All of those joint actions that have to move in order for that movement to occur. First part of the assignment. The second part of the assignment is then to tell me what muscles are responsible for those movements that you analyzed. So if you determined that elbow extension was a part of your movement, you would tell me that the triceps are the prime mover or the muscle that's responsible for that particular movement. Third, I would ask you to answer a few questions that I put on the rubric regarding this particular skill. I want you to think about it in terms of conditioning and training. What does the strength coach need to know about those particular skills in order to help that athlete get better? For example, if the triceps are involved in that movement because there's elbow extension, what exercises need to be performed to help the triceps develop for that movement to improve? What errors could take place in order for that movement to not be successfully executed? Are there joint movements that could happen that would hinder that skill? For example, in swinging a bat, we all know that if I drop my shoulder, okay, or if I have spinal lateral flexion as I'm swinging my bat's going to swing up. If I make contact, I'm probably going to pop the ball up. That's a joint action, that's an error. So I can identify that as a strength coach, and then when I am looking and analyzing skills as athletes work through them, I can tell them exactly what they're doing wrong and exactly how to fix it, okay? So this is an example of your next discussion assignment. You can work with a partner. Thanks.